first one was the Google form, which is our trigger. Then we'll go to Google Docs. So I'm going to add a module here. You click the plus sign and then you search for Google Docs. Google Docs. Type it because it seems not to be coming here immediately. So Google Docs, you can see it somewhere down here. I'm going to select that. And here, because this was our template, we created a template. We have to look for the one that will ask us to create a template. So we are going to create a document from a template, and we'll choose this one here, create a document from a template. We already have a template, and once you do that, it pops up again, the bubble pops up, and we are supposed to fill in the bubble. In this case, of course, this part we need to add it. We need to add to get authorization to access our account again, Gmail, and then we are going to add it there, and then continue. And it is verifying as usual. It's verifying, and once it's done, you see it is bringing another part that needs to be filled. Leave this as drop down. Of course, it is my drive, and then click here to choose the document. The document you want to match here with is the Master Coaching Agreement template. We want to match it here. So we are going to click here to look for it, and this one is the one that we created. I have several of them, but because we are looking for the template, I'm going to click on that one, Master Coaching Templates. And we need to fill all this. And you remember it had date, it had coach name, client name, phone. And actually, when you filled in the details, you just pick answers, then it means you have not told 𝐼𝐸.𝐶𝐤𝐿 specifically what answer we need. So you may end up matching this, but yet they have different names. For example, the first one is talking about client name. If I pick this first answer, I must look into it. What does it entail? We have question ID and text answer. Of course, it was text. We click on it, and we see the answer is still there. Is still a drop down. You go on with it, and if you look at the value, this is talking about a phone number, so we cannot place it here. We go and put that in here, and this one is the right value for the phone. So you do that and you match all of them until they are all done, and then you hit your save. And when you run your 𝐼𝐸.𝐶𝐤𝐿, you realize now you submit again. We'll go to our form and submit again. This is the form. So who has responded? Of course, this is the responses that we are looking at initially, but here is what you'll input. They are collecting email. So this is not the real form. I'm looking for the real form where you are supposed to submit. So this is my form, and then you input your email address. I'm going to use Maurice Sabwa. Then I go to the next one. Full name, I said it's Maurice. Savoir. I continue with it like that. Email address. Of course, I'm using the second, this email address here. The initial one we are inputting to allow the document to collect these email addresses. You will need them. And the phone numbers, I'm going to input the phone number here. Let me just click this directly to save time. And then I continue next. The coaching program that I'm selecting. So I select 6-month program, and I pick the dates to start. Maybe I can say 8th of next month, and then I give it 600, that is my budget, and then choose payment method. I can pay that in 2 installments. I go next. I agree to get the contract. I agree to get the contract by mail, and I don't have anything else to add there, so I submit this. So I've submitted my form. I'll rush to 𝐷𝐞𝐤𝐞.𝐜, run it, see the magic here. All of them are ticking green, meaning that the 2 are very much in order. Everything has been mapped correctly. So we'll move to the next phase of adding Gmail, where the person will be able to get the email once they fill the form, and in the email there'll be our contract, and the document is in there as a link, and they're able to to see it.